Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow using a plate, some M&Ms, and some warm water. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put M&Ms all along the outside of our plate. You want to make sure that your plate is not paper because then if you have a paper plate, the water will bleed through and it won't do the experiment correctly. Okay, so first I'm going to place all my M&Ms around the outside. So okay, now that I've lined the outside of my plate with my M&Ms, I'm going to pour my warm water into the center, and I want to pour just enough so that it's touching every single M&M. But I don't want to pour too much or else it's going to dissolve them too quickly. Okay, now what's going to happen is the water is going to dissolve the sugary coating on the outside of the M&Ms. And when it does this, it's going to rush towards the center of the circle because it has nowhere else to go, and it's going to start to create my rainbow. And now I have a pretty rainbow, and that's how you make it. Thanks for watching. Bye!